Assalamu alaikum, welcome ninth class. Today I will deliver lecture number 7 of chapter number 2, and in 6th lecture I was discussed that I will describe different logical operator. Today I will describe different logical operators. So first is and, second or third is not. First is and, when all the compound preposition all connected preposition will true, the answer of and operator will be true. And in or, if there is at least one preposition is true, the answer will be right, true. Okay, not, this is a not connector, but it is used to negate a preposition. Okay, and the next is compound preposition. So in compound preposition, at least if there is any condition is false or both conditions are false, answer will be false. In or, if there is all preposition will false, so that time answer of or will be false. So in not, this is a not operate, this is not a connector, but in this way it reverse the value. It's mean that the false value become a false and the false value become a true. It's mean that if there is a value is 0, that will be 1, and if there is value is 1, answer will be 0. So it reverse the actual values true to false, false to true. It converts these type. Okay, and we use dot or use plus, and in not we use negation symbol for not operator. And if there is p and q, we will use p dot q. If there is p or q, we will write p plus q. If they not into p, we will present negation p, not negation p. Okay students, now I will discuss about the truth table, that how can we use all these operator. First I will discuss about the and. For example, I consider p, that today is it is a raining, and q I will use for this sentence today is Sunday, and p and q, for example, it is a raining and today is Sunday. Here is a table, you will learn about the table. If both conditions are true, p mean it is raining and q mean it today is Sunday. For example, these two are true, so that time I will say yes, it is raining and today is Sunday. So that time p and q operator will be used true. So in previous topic you will learn that both conditions should be true. For example, here is a it is raining, yes, but not on Sunday. It's mean that today is not Sunday, but here is a raining, so I will say p is true and q is false. The answer will be false, and you will learn in that condition that if there is one condition will be false, the answer will be false. Okay student, next, similarly, it is not raining, today is not raining, but today is Sunday. Sunday is false, p and q will be false because both conditions are not true. And at the end, it is neither raining and also not Sunday. That time p and q will false. And now you will learn about the or operator. I will describe in table. So similarly, I will use statement p is representing that it is raining, and q is presenting that today is Sunday. Okay, here it is raining or today is Sunday. So here I will draw a table, you will learn better that. For example, it is raining true and it is Sunday true, both are true, it's mean true. Now I am discussing about the or operator, but here is it is raining, yes, and today is not Sunday, false. So both are not true, but answer will be true. You should you learn that topic, that if there is one condition is true, it will be true. Okay, and the next, if there is that today is not raining but today is Sunday, that answer will be true. For example, here is both condition will false. Today is not raining, also not Sunday, so that time answer will be false. Otherwise, if there is any condition is true, the answer will be true. Okay, now you will learn about the not operator, truth table for not operator. Here is true value will be false and the false value will be true. Now you can check today is raining, true. Not be mean that today is not raining, it will false, it will reverse the actual answer. Here it is not raining, but in not be will be true. Okay, so it will reverse the answer of this. Okay students,